Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy sugar cookies, updated. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, line baking sheets, and measure ingredients precisely. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy, then add eggs and vanilla. Stir in dry ingredients until dough forms. Chill dough for at least 30 minutes to firm up and develop flavor. Roll between parchment and cut shapes, gently to keep edges clean, and bake. Start by creaming butter and sugar until the mixture is pale and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add egg and vanilla, mixing just until incorporated. Fold in sifted dry ingredients gently to avoid overworking gluten. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes so it firms and keeps its shape. Roll between parchment to your desired thickness, then cut shapes and transfer them carefully to prepared sheets. Bake cookies on the middle rack for 8 to 12 minutes until the edges are set and centers stay soft. Let them cool on the sheet for 2 minutes to avoid breakage, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. Use a simple royal icing for crisp outlines and flood centers for smooth color, or sprinkle sanding sugar while cookies are slightly warm for a delicate sparkle and extra crunch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.